Obviously I'll get on the top because A, I'm the top man, and B, I'm the first man to get in the fridge.
So Tom's going to get on the top, ladies and gentlemen, in the three-way fridge. And Donald has something to say.
Oh, no.
And Dave.
Go on, let me say it first.
Let's watch his... There you see, hold on. Everybody wants to see it's an empty fridge. And in goes Tom, and Tom's closed up the top. Tom's coming through. He can get his legs in. Oh, Donald's in! Donald's the first out the bunch. And Tom is secluding his way in. Can he get in? Look at him squeeze. Look at him squeeze. Oh! 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 This could be dangerous. This could be dangerous. This is going to be in the world record somewhere. Guinness Book of Records. Are you watching? 3 men in the fridge. Get your feet in. Get your feet in. Get your feet in. Get your feet in. Are you ready? Shut in the door. Shut in the door. 1, 2. Oh, Dave, get your feet.
The night, Dave, the night.
Yes! The door is shut. The door is shut. Look at the fans celebrate. The fans are celebrating. Oi! They're celebrating. Oi! 3 men have got in the fridge. A world record has been matched. Dave's out first. Donald's out second. Tom's still going for it. He's still going large. Can Tom get out?
No, your fridge is first.
And Tom breaks the fridge. Tom breaks the fridge. What do you have to say about breaking the fridge, Tom?
It wasn't me, it was Don. No, yeah, Don, it was Don. Fuck it, it was me.
Tom's blaming it on Dave. Dave's blaming it on Don. Don's blaming it on Tom. What do you think about breaking the record?
Oh, with the record? Oh yeah, I was involved in that. I probably instigated it. Yeah, it's one of those things, you know what I'm saying?
Tell the Guinness Book of Records what you have to say.
3 men. Let me see you get 4 men in the fridge.
Yeah, right, yeah. Can we just say one thing? And I don't want to miss a thing, 'cause we were in a dream of you. The sweetest thing to ever do, I will miss you, babe. And I don't want to miss a thing. Oh, Donald, you're caught on candid camera. Do you have anything to say? What do you have to say? I'm being serial, Don. I'm being serial. Yeah! Thomas, David, and Donald. 3 men in a fridge. 3 men in a fridge. I'm your cameraman.
From a dub-dub, 3 men in a fridge.
Thank you for joining us on Guinness Book of Records 2008. We hope to see you next year when we'll get 8 men in the fridge.
One more. 3 rubber dub-dub, 3 men in a fridge.
The girls commentate. The girls love it. The crowd went wild. We all went in the fridge. And that's all we have to say.